Ngoja hivi. Acha nikushow kwanza form umedunga. Asanteni sana. Tuweze kum makofi hapa juu. Hivi.
I will continue to lead from the front as we transform this nation. And I will work with courageous leaders, people who believe in Kenya, people who believe in the transformation of Kenya, not mere politicians who believe in convenience, who believe in nothing, who believe in retrogressive politics. We don't share a vision with the tribalists. We don't share a vision with the haters. We don't share a vision with people who believe in the disunity of our nation. We share the vision with the people who believe in the unity of Kenya, who believe in a broad-based arrangement, a broad-based government that brings Kenyans together.